Online teaching. We are discussing chapter 10, displacing indigenous people. This is module 5th. In this we will discuss about the gold rush and the growth of the industries. As you know, the Europeans, they migrated, they reached to America as it was a new world for them. They wanted to set up their colony. They wanted to some development to improve their economic condition. And from the beginning, these were the views that there is some gold in USA. Always the Europeans, they were in a hunt. They have such mentality that there are you may say, grains of the gold. A lot of gold is found. A heap of the gold. But that was not true. Okay. In that, in 1840s, there were some evidences of gold. Some evidences of gold in California. Okay. And that was in the USA part. Okay. Now, this thing came. Now the Europeans, they started to migrate in hunt of this gold. Lot of people from Europe, they moved, they settled there. And what was the main thing? They started to make the railways. What happened? Railways work started in USA. And up to 1870s, a lot of area was covered. It means in a lot of area, maximum area, the rails that were made and the railway network that started. This was due to the reason that it was a very far away places, so the people can move very easily. They can reach to the farther distance within a less period of time. Such things were there. The Britishers, they were coming from other parts of the world. And what happened? These people, they were given some of the respect by the natives, means the American people. Now, what happened? That these things were going on. As you know, Industrial Revolution started in England. As you know, a vast area was there, joint economy was there. But the reason was that the small farmers started to lose their land, so they migrated to cities. So that was the Industrial Revolution in England. Here also started, but the reasons were different. What happened? In USA, Industrial Revolution started, or you may say setting up of industry started. And what was the reason? The supply of machines to different parts of the country to take away the railway goods for construction, that was also okay. It means this was the reason. And you can see a very fast process of development was going on. And what happened? As these things progress, a person was there that was named Andrew Carnegie. He belonged to Scotland. What happened? He was a very poor person when he came from Europe, and he became a billionaire here. He earned a lot of money. He was saying that earlier the progress was very slow, very dim. But as the railway and other things flourished, the development started to continue, and he became a billionaire here. That person from Scotland. These things were very important regarding this. Next thing, what was that? In 1860s, or you may say 1870s, USA was an undeveloped economy. It means the poor nation. But by 1890s, Canada and America became one of the powerful industrial power during these 20-30 years. Now you can see where the country was poor, but within short span of time, within 20 years, that country became one of the most powerful country. And what was the reason? The USA started to make industries, urbanization, and hunting was stopped. All the animals were killed and all infrastructure was changed. Earlier these native people were hunters, they were dependent on animals, but the missions that were removed, and now urbanization and industrialization started. And what happened? They set up their colonies. They set up colonies in Hawaii, that was in Pacific Ocean, and Philippines. It means that was the reason in other parts of the world they also started. That was in the Pacific Ocean, eastern part of the world. So it means Asia, that was a poor nation, but with that you may say rumor of gold, or the European people, they started to develop. America and Canada both became one of the most powerful country in means of industry.